I'm super excited to present you guys the new art series that is. Thank you, my fellow artists, for joining me today. I am Priyanka, also known as Stainable, and I'm super excited to present you guys my new art series, which is Unveiling My Art Weapon. As you guys know, I have recently started my channel, so this series is my hope to share my passion towards art and maybe it help us to know each other a little more. So without further ado, let's dive into the episode pens. We will start with our basic sketch. We'll be sketching fox today. Well, did you know foxes can make over 40 different sounds? As you can see here, I'm using just my basic black ball pen to complete this sketch. Our first character is almost going to get completed. Here now, by using this basic blue ball pen, I will be completing my second character. We will be focusing on the details for her face first. For its body part, create fully uneven outline around her body. Now within this outline, lay some thin strokes in desired flow. So, just by adding those little strokes, it will give our fox a furry effect. By using that same small stroke technique, we will complete this fonts as well. For this third and final character, I am planning to color this stone paper with the help of white paint. Till the time this will get dry, we will complete our background first. As you guys can see here as well, I'm using that same small stroke technique. My basic purpose is to keep this series as simple as possible so that you can easily recreate it. I'll just quickly outline the white area first, then we will begin our shading. So here as well, we will begin this by completing the details on her face. And again, we will follow that same technique to complete her body as well. Basic blue and black pen art may seem limited in its color palette, but it is something that allows me to push the boundaries of my creativity and produce something stunning out of it. Now let's move on to the second element of our episode, colored ball pen. Firstly, let's move on to complete our sketch. And there it goes. I will be using this colored BTS theme pen. Before we dig into video, let me just quickly complete this swatch test. Once it is done, we will begin with our lighter shade. We will just complete our fins and tail area with the help of this color. Also, we will be adding a base color to our fish with the same. Gradually, we will make the fish body darker. As you guys can see, just by adding few strokes and some scribble, I completed this fish. Now by using the same technique, I'll complete my another fish as well. So here in this fish, I am planning to blend her body with the spots she have on her body. For the leaves, we will switch to green color, and as you can see, we will just randomly make the strokes in all the direction. And at last, we will fill up the border area In the same way, we will complete our all the leaf. To give some different color, I switched on my pen to a bit lighter shade of green I have, and I'll repeat the same process with the remaining leaves. I'll do mix match of colors as well as at some places. As I'm done with the leaves, I'll start filling up our lotus. We'll add some yellow for the center pollen parts. Now we will start filling up the water areas. To keep it less confusing, I will just mark on the areas wherever I want blue strokes to be done. Listen, there is no rule in making anything, so be flexible while creating this water. I mean, you can develop any shapes while creating this thing, as this is actually a bit complicated, so feel free to be flexible. Just develop any shapes wherever you want, however you want. It's your drawing. To make it look more interesting, you can give some lighter and darker stroke. Finally, we are coming towards an end. This was really a time-consuming task. I really need some energy to move ahead. I will begin by adding details to our art. Just quickly add some pebbles, and also I will darken up these leaves now to show some more colors. Now comes the main part of this. We will add black spots on our fish to give it more detailed look. We'll also color his eyes. Now with the help of this black pen, I will quickly add border to our fish. Same will go with the second fish. Now after completing all the details, we will just erase all the pencil marks which were there before. But with the help of this pencil, we will give a shadow to our fish. By the way, do you like it, guys? Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you. I love you guys.